Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to add WhatsApp button on Facebook page. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Facebook and make sure you are logged into your Facebook page. Now click on that little profile icon and you will be appear with your account profile. Now what you're gonna do is click on that three lines and from the appeared options, click on edit. Now here scroll all the way down and click on links, and here you will be appear with this screen interface. Now as you can see, we can add social links, so simply tap on add social link and select a platform, and in the platform section select WhatsApp and type down your username or phone number. Doing so will successfully help you add WhatsApp button on Facebook. Do not forget to click on save after you add your social links. So that's how easily you can add WhatsApp button on Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.